Hey guys, Shax here, and in this video, I'll show you how to install iPhone Notes on Windows. To begin, open any type of preferred browser and search for iCloud. After that, a bunch of search results will be displayed on your screen. You just need to open the official website and sign into your iCloud account. Once you are signed in successfully, you will see all the available features displayed on your screen. Here, look for the Notes tile, which is usually represented by a yellow notepad icon. Click on it, and you will be taken to your Notes section where you can start creating new notes. Feel free to type, add images, or even checklists to your notes. The best part is that everything you create here will sync seamlessly with your mobile device, so you can access your notes anytime, anywhere. In order to install it onto your PC, click on the three dots icon in the top right corner and a drop-down menu will open up. You just need to click on the Save and Share feature and then select the Install as an app option. A pop-up will be displayed on your screen. Simply enter the desired name and click on the Install button to install the app. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.